I stand to rise regarding the protection of rights and privileges of the existing tribals while granting new ST status to 6 community in Assam. Sir, the Assam has been witnessing a situation of embarrassment amidst agitation demanding new status ST tribes by 6 communities and the fear of losing rights and privileges of the existing tribal communities in Assam since long time. The recent recommendation of the group of ministers constituted by the Assam government for granting new scheduled tribes for 6 communities in Assam has triggered apprehension among the tribals organization and students of that their rights and privileges are being destroyed. So the tribal organization and students community from different universities and colleges are out in the streets and staging demonstration seeking protection of their rights and privileges. The conflict of interest has led to an undesirable situation of polarization. One is hopeful and the another is in despair. This is because the existing Aboriginal tribals, sons of the soils, are already facing land alienation and rapidly becoming more and more marginalized. They have lost thousands of lives for the protection of their identity, culture, and to ensure their political rights. In this juncture, government must take a role of guardianship to handle the situation holistically. Sir, the existing tribal communities have expressed their apprehension of losing their rights and privileges enjoyed so far while attempting to add new tribes under the same basket, and their apprehension is very admissible. Any policy decision of the government attempting to encroach upon the rights and privileges enjoyed by the existing tribals of Assam might throw up conflicting situations here. On the other hand, the 6 communities who are demanding new scheduled tribe status are of the opinion that they want their ST status without affecting the rights and privileges of the existing tribals in Assam. Under these circumstances, the government must take a practical and scientific approach to solve the sensitive issue in a timely manner, exploring maximum possibilities so that situations don't go out of hand. Further, it is noteworthy to say that the existing tribals of Assam are also affirmative towards the downtrodden communities to have their constitutional rights. They also must have enjoyed constitutional rights as they deserve. Therefore, my humble appeal to the government of India to take firm initiative to solve the issues of 6 communities without infringing upon the rights and privileges enjoyed by the existing tribals of Assam enshrined in the Constitution of India. They are of the opinion that the government should not try to pour extra water into a jar already filled. The consequences overflow. Furthermore, I appeal the government of India to initiate dialogue inviting all the organizations from both sides and explore the best possible way to adhering the constitutional provisions and procedures for enlisting communities as a new tribes in Assam. I hope the government of India will ensure integrity, sincerity for the protection of existing tribals while taking possible attempt to solve the issues of
Srimati Geeta